This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Gwen Samms. This 4,000 square feet custom home was built to last. All brick, open floor plan with vaulted ceiling and 2 master suites. Room for everyone to live and play. Second master has pad for hot tub on patio with hookup. Plenty of room for parking in the 3-car garage or on the dual driveways. Tons of space to live, work, and play. Lots of extras. Home warranty included. For more information, review the details below or contact Gwen Samms at 304-776-7653.